Hey y'all, we're making pistachio cookies. Stick around. All right, y'all. So I consider myself a decent cook, but I am no baker. So I am making some pistachio cookies. The ingredients will be listed below, and you can follow along. I am adding my dry ingredients first. I did make a mistake by adding my white sugar to the dry ingredient mixture when I was supposed to add it to the wet ingredients, but it still turned out good. So I am mixing all the dry ingredients here, and then I am going to mix everything together. Into that dry mixture, I am going to use pistachio pudding. So I'm just going to also add that in and mix everything. Next, I'm going to chop the pistachios. I would just do a quick couple of pulses because you don't want them too small. You want to make sure that you have pistachio in every bite of the cookie. I am also chopping up my dark chocolate. Kind of fine, but I do leave a few chunks in there. And now this is where I messed up. Actually, I put my butter, vanilla, the egg, but I forgot I put the sugar into the dry mixture. But I just added these ingredients with some couple of drops of green food coloring, and then I'm gonna blend them together. So just blend it together. You would have your sugar in this, so it will kind of be a lot fluffier, but it still worked out. And then next I am going to add in my dry ingredients with half the batch at a time. So I'll put half, I'll blend it, and then I'll add the other half. Alright, so I am going to fold in my pistachios and just kind of use a spatula to incorporate that into the cookie dough. And then I will also add my dark chocolate. I'll fold that in to the mixture as well. Alright, and then I am going to cover this with saran wrap, and I'm going to refrigerate it for an hour. Alright, so I'm using a teaspoon, and then I'm just going to scoop the dough and then roll them into balls and just put them on a lined cookie sheet with parchment paper. And then I am going to bake these at 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes. Popping those in the oven for about 10 minutes. These are great for the holidays, great for Christmas parties. If you try this recipe, let me know how you like it. Bye.